Hi everybody, welcome to this week's Make It Monday. I have a really fun project to do today, and we're going to keep with the theme of using materials that you probably already have in your house. This week we're going to do shaving cream marble painting, and the end result is going to look something like this. The materials you need today are some kind of foamy shaving cream. The gel stuff does not work, so just some inexpensive shaving cream. You need some food coloring. You need paper, and you're going to need a container to put your shaving cream in. I'm using a paper plate. I love paper plates because you can throw them away when you're done using them. You can also use a knife to mix up the colors, and I've got a scraper to scrape away the shaving cream, and I'll show you how to use that a little bit later. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, shaving cream across the bottom of your container. And I'm going to use this knife to kind of spread the shaving cream across the bottom of my container, just like this. And then, after you have your shaving cream down, you need some color. So, I'm going to start with some red, just a drop or two. And then I'm going to add, what color do you think we should add to this? How about yellow? I think we should add some yellow. And what happens when we mix yellow and red together? Ben, what do we get?
Orange.
Orange. So then just take this knife and kind of scrape through it just to mix the color all through the shaving cream, just like this. So you can see the yellow and the red starting to mix together. Get some orange. It's really pretty. And it's shaving cream, so it smells really good too. Okay, once you kind of mix those just like this, that's a really fun part of it. You take your paper and you're gonna just kind of mush it in the shaving cream. And you guys know I love messy projects. And shaving cream is so much fun to play with. So, once I've got the shaving cream and the food coloring on my paper, I'm going to put it down, and I'm just going to scrape away all the excess shaving cream, just like this. And what's left is this really cool marbling effect, and you see where the colors mixed together. So you've got some reds, you've got yellow, and then you've got the mix of yellow and red, which makes your orange. Now, you might be thinking, Miss Nancy, I don't have paper plates at home. You can also use other containers. This one is just a food to go container. I just washed it and I'm gonna recycle it. So, same thing, just put shaving cream across the bottom. And again, just like you did before, just kind of spread that shaving cream all across. And add, this time I think I'm going to add some blue. And I'm going to add some red. And again, I'm mixing the colors together, just like this. And if you don't have to-go containers, paper plates, maybe a cookie sheet, maybe a box, any of those would work. And then all you have to do is just cut your paper in half, and same thing, press it down in here, get the shaving cream and the coloring. And what do we get when we mix that red and blue together, Ben?
Purple.
Purple. I'll bet everyone out there knew that already. And again, I'm just going to scrape it away. And I get another really cool marbled effect with the blues and purple and red. And you can mix them together. You can do the greens, the yellows, you can do what I did in the beginning, use a mix of all the colors together. Have a lot of fun with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you enjoy trying this project. If you do, please post your pictures to our Instagram page. I'd love to see them. Next week, we're going to have another fun project. I miss seeing you, and until next week, have a wonderful week.